In this video, we're going to be talking about your central selling idea. So before we write any piece of copy, we want to be clear about the offer that we're making. And that's because although copywriting is very effective, if we don't have a good offer, then it's still going to be hard to get people to take an action. So an offer can be anything, but you want to make sure that you're very clear about what your offer is. So let's say, for example, that you want someone to sign up for your email list. So your offer might be, if they sign up for my email list and give me their email, then I'm going to give them an ebook that tells them how to make a cheap WordPress blog. So before I've even written any of this copy, I have a clear idea that my offer is they give me their email and I'll give them an ebook that tells them how to create a WordPress blog. So your offer can be anything, but it's just important that you know what it is. And it's simple, so you understand it before you start writing copy. And just like I said, it's that one message that you're communicating to your customer. So here's an example of a CSI, or a central selling idea, that's not clear. By taking this course, you will write better, you will think better, and you'll have more success. Now, that's pretty vague. I don't really know what I'm offering here, and I'm sure that my customer or my reader doesn't know what I'm offering. So it kind of sounds like common sense, but it's actually really easy to forget this, where we have a general idea of what we're offering, but we're not really clear about it. So it really helps you out if you can write your central selling idea in a single sentence. So, for example, by taking this course, you will learn how to become a more effective writer in less than 2 hours. So I'm clear about what my offer is. Now, I can even make this more clear by saying what the other person is offering. So give me $100 and I will teach you how to become a more effective writer in less than 2 hours. But in this case, I don't know how much I'm going to charge yet, so it's okay that I'm just focusing on what I'm delivering. But if you know what you want to get in return from your customer, then you can make your central selling idea even more clear.